In this video, we're going to take a look at the all-new first official PS5 cosmetic upgrade, the PlayStation 5 Console Covers. It's been more than a year now since the PlayStation 5 released, and it's no secret that fans have been wondering when it would be possible to change the PS5 to a color of your choice. Well, it looks like the wait is finally over because Sony and PlayStation have just released their own official PS5 custom faceplates with many different colors expected to release this year. Today, we're going to be unboxing and installing the Midnight Black PS5 console covers and comparing them to the D-brand Dark Plates version 1. Starting off with the appearance, you can see the PS5 console covers have the official PlayStation logo and action symbols. For reasons you can imagine, duplicates like the Dark Plates version 1 never had the official PlayStation branding, and instead were left completely blank. But aside from the branding differences, the PlayStation console covers and D-brand Dark Plates appear to be completely identical in both fit and build quality. Here's a side-by-side comparison so you can see the difference. For installation, you need to first remove the bottom stand and original PS5 plates. Start off by lifting upward on the top corner and pull downward to release the plate. Turn the PS5 over and repeat the process, except this time lifting up on the opposite corner. Next, we're going to place the console covers on the PlayStation 5 and slide them into place. You'll know the plates are secure when you hear the loud click. Last but not least, make sure the stand is resecured, and that's it. The installation is complete. In my honest opinion, the official PS5 console covers are pretty much everything I expected, and a perfect match for my Midnight Black DualSense Controller, with the only real downsides being that they can scratch and collect dust fairly easy. To prevent this, I recommend taking extra caution during installation and using a soft microfiber towel for cleaning. But overall, I definitely recommend these for anyone looking to match their PlayStation console to a colored DualSense controller. Make sure to keep an eye out for even more colors releasing later this year. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you found it useful or at least interesting, and if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys next video. Boys.